Managing maintenance costs is one of the most vital parts of keeping industrial operations running smoothly and ensuring activities are being carried out efficiently, economically, without compromising product quality and employee safety. The ultimate goal of cost management is to identify where expenses are coming from and monitor them over time. And that's why financial KPIs are so important. They help understand the average maintenance cost per piece of equipment compared to the company revenue. Cost management and maintenance also involves identifying and implementing best practices and technologies that can help reduce costs over time. This can include adopting programs to schedule and manage PMs, using equipment condition monitoring technologies, training maintenance teams, using software to assist data acquisition, among many other initiatives. But if there's one strategy that's vital to cost management, it's budget planning. Industries must have a well-defined budget plan for maintenance activities, taking into account spare parts for costs, as well as labor and operational expenses. Budget planning helps you avoid unnecessary expenses and ensures that your company is prepared to deal with any emergencies that may arise. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your maintenance cost report on TracOS, TRACTIAN's maintenance management software. Step 1 is going to the Reports tab, click on Costs, and then on Configure Planning. This is where you'll access the table with all the work order categories already registered in your platform. You'll set a maximum monthly value available for the team to spend on each category, whether it's corrective or preventative maintenance, inspections, lubrication routes, etc. When added up, these will generate the monthly and annual budget goals. This way, you and the entire maintenance team can track where your monthly expenses and resources are going, and most importantly, identify any financial bottlenecks, always striving to stay within the maintenance budget set at the beginning of the fiscal year. With the budget planning information filled out in the platform, and with work orders complete with all costs like tools, supplies, and man hours, your graphs will be automatically generated and you'll see the annual comparison by month and the annual comparison by category. The goal of these reports is to make it easier to analyze maintenance activities and have oversight into company resources, as well as identify where the major expenses, bottlenecks, and improvement opportunities lie. These charts take into account the time and cost information filled out in the work orders to deliver reports grouped according to the categories or tags created in the platform. Similarly, you can also get cost reports by user and by team, grouping the values of the users by the teams they were assigned to. Other reports available on the platform are those attributed by a location and by asset. You can generate your charts showing how much the activities performed in each of them by cost, automatically separated according to the categories and assets filled in the work orders. In each asset's technical file, you can set the cost information for each machine's downtime. You'll have reports calculated based on all the corrective or reactive work orders done on that asset, considering their duration and the cost of the machine's downtime. Another very important report for cost control is the one based on inventory items, accounting for the cost of each item, tool, component, or supply in all the orders where that item was used. And at the end of the reports page, you'll also find the additional cost report and the time-based report as well. Oh, and by the way, all of these reports will be available to export and print out so you can have them at hand in a variety of different formats. All of these reports update automatically on the TRACTIAN platform every time a technician fills out a new work order. If you'd like to learn more about TracOS, click the link below and get in touch with our projects team.